Hey, I've been waiting for you. Let's get into Nio. So in this video, we're going to talk about Nio. We're going to look at the chart. We're going to look at the chart. We're going to mark this sucker up. All right. We're going to mark up the chart. We're going to look at a Nio, and we have to look at the SPY. We have to look at the SPY, the spider. Okay. So let's see. Right now, Nio is trading $4.46. Okay. We're going to look at this, and there was some news by Trump about EVs. So we're going to talk about that a little bit too. Alrighty, so as I just showed you, okay, we're here. We're at this price. This little thing right here, that little candle, look, Nio, daily time frame. This is the different moving averages, the colors of each one. So you'll know which one's 20, 50, and 200 day moving average. Let's get into it. Miss Moneymaker, anything that moves. Alrighty. So let's draw some lines. Let's move it. You know, I could talk about this stuff all day. Let's just draw some lines so we can see where we're at, because we're in the summer months. Stock market is a little slow in the summer. It's a little slower. All right. See that channel? Now you're saying, oh, Miss Moneymaker, why don't you draw it like that? Like that. Doing it like that for right now. Okay? Because before this happened, we were here and here, right? 3 touches. 1, 2, 3. Let's go where there's more touches at, right? And then this, where the price is reacting, okay? So let's leave it there for now, that. Let's see. Also, do you see it like this? Look. What do you see, Miss Moneymaker? I see, okay, see this? Let's go. Yeah. All right. Let's talk about it. Let's move it up and let's talk about it. So what is Nio doing? Okay, so you see before we had support for this descending trend line, right? Like the floor of a house. We had support, Okay. And up here, resistance. Resistance. People sold. Resistance. We broke through. We broke through there, right? Okay, it took a minute, but we came out. We hit that 50-day moving average, that purple line, boop, and we bounced down. So now, see this line I just drew here? This one, right? This blue one? Okay, you see how price, when we hit here, okay, went up? Same thing here, right? We hit there, we went up. Okay, 2 times. So maybe that's a little bit of support right there. Okay, so the point is, what is Nio going to do now? Let's go to the news. Yeah, okay. Before I say this news, I'm going to read this news that Trump said. Before I say this news, this is the thing. You know how much I care? I don't. Why? So I'm saying this ahead of time before I say it to you, because if you're here at this channel, you want to make money regardless who shot John, who says what, Biden, Trump, whoever, Eskimo in the White House, who cares? We're going to make money either way. That's the point. Okay? That's the point. So it doesn't be, oh, if he goes in and he says this, then I can't. Look, people, I don't even care who, well, I'm not saying I don't care who gets into office or anything like that, but the point is I'm going to make money either way. You should too. So now let's get to the news. What did they say? All right. Now, let me just go to the top part, and then I'll go back to the part that I wanted to say. Okay, this is Trump. Bazinga news, okay? So Trump pours some cold water on the whole industry. Okay. Hey, okay. So Tesla's falling ahead of the week's earnings. Ford is stepping back in EV plans and more. Okay, biggest EV stories of the week. This is July 20th, okay, 2024. I'm going to scroll down to the part that we need to know for Nio. Let's scroll down right here. Now, remember what I just said, people. Hey, make money either way. Don't even, worry about it. Okay, so Trump. All right. Trump, you see where I'm at? Okay, this part. Trump, let's see if it can stay highlighted in that. Okay, yeah, here we go. Trump's EV stance. Republican presidential nominee Donald Trump dealt a blow to the EV industry by announcing at the party's national convention this week that he will end the electric vehicle mandate on day one. I'm not saying this. This is what Trump is saying. Do not shoot the messenger, okay? I'm just repeating. The move, according to the former president, will save the U.S. auto industry from complete obliteration. What? Obliteration. Okay. And save U.S. consumers thousands and thousands of dollars per car. Okay. I repeat, he said obliteration. Okay. Yeah. Because the U.S. trying to compete and all this kind of stuff. Okay. That's not going so well in the EV space. So now, if Trump gets into office and he said he's rolling back that mandate, and then how's this going to look for Nio? Okay. How's this going to look? Okay. Some people may be feeling some type of way. Miss Moneymaker, anything that moves, click like, subscribe. I'm making money regardless, people. You think I worry about what the heck anybody's saying? Because I will buy a stock on a technical support level and I will ride that sucker up. Doesn't matter who's in office, okay? And I don't care what stock it is. I'm not married to any stock. Used to be back in the day. No, stay jiggy with it. I go where the money is. All right, so now, so I just wanted to bring that up so you know that. Now, this is also the other thing we have to think about, the SPY. Okay, let's look at the SPY right here. Okay, so this is the SPY. Look, top left right there, daily time frame. This is S&P is what the top 500 things are doing. We have some support here, some support here. Okay, there was some resistance. See? Boom. SPY couldn't go up past this point. SPY couldn't go up past this point. It's good to know this when you're buying and selling stocks, right? You need to know what is the overall market doing. SPY couldn't get past this point. And then what? We dropped down. So we may go back to this level again. Okay, we may. I mean, when we dropped down before, we hit this level. When we dropped down this time, we stopped here at this moving average, the 20-day moving average. This time we broke below it. So will we go to here? So there's some downward pressure. So my point is right now, there's some downward pressure in the market a little bit. This is normal. It's supposed to happen. The market can't just go it can't be like that, straight. No, that's not how it goes. It has to breathe. You run up a flight of steps and then you get to the land and you're like, oh my God, whoo, those steps. You catch your breath, you calm down, you relax, you let your heart rate go down a little bit, and then you go up the next flight of stairs. It's like that with the market. You don't just run. That kind of is, you don't do it that way. The market has to breathe. 10% pullbacks, little corrections, that's normal. So now when this happens, right? Okay, so if we're pulling back a little bit, back to Nio, we can touch here, right? If we pull back, we can come down to this line. Okay, we can come down to this line. Yes. Okay, now look at the prices over here. Okay, if you want to see what price level will that be, will it? No, I can't make it. I wanted the little in between to come up. But anyway, let's keep going. So it can come there. Yes, it can. Or, dun dun dun, dramatic music. Will it break through that? Boop 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 boop. Will it break through? Okay, we have to see. So we're hoping that Nio will catch some support right around here. All right. Let me just watch this. I'm just going to just make this line here. Okay. So you can see $4.13. Where this line was right here with this candle. Okay. If we broke down and we came down, maybe it's going to stop at $4.13. Maybe it will. or will it go lower? Will it go, you see where this was? Below here? I'm not saying it's going to do this, okay? People, I'm not saying it's going to do this. I just want to let you know, hey, if the market goes down, because we're in the summer, if the market goes down, if it breaks through this one, will it go here and then catch support? Okay? And I want you to see the price levels, that's all. So in between here. When we get down here, squeeze territory, short squeeze territory. I kind of like short squeeze territory. When stocks go so low, people are shorting them sometimes, then they squeeze up, boo, like that. Okay, so this is where we're at right now. We're at this price. So if we go lower, hopefully we have some support levels here. If you see this too, this here, it looks like some support here, this area. Maybe. Okay, that area. Okay, now we're below this 20-day moving average right now, this green line. We're below the 50, and we have this 200 above us. If we go up, yeah, let's focus on if we go up. Stay positive. If we go up. Okay, by the way, it usually always happens around whole dollars, half dollars. Just something to let you know, right? Okay, so we're having some resistance around there. Okay, we have a little resist. You see how we have resistance here? Sold off here. Try to break above that candle, but the wick selling pressure back down. Wick selling pressure back down. That's what this top wick is, and came back down. Okay, so couldn't break above here. This area too couldn't break above this price level. So this is almost like $5 level, right? And then let's go. What's our next level? Hold on. Give me a second. What's this? Why is this not picking up? Okay, here we go. Oh, how beautiful. Okay. See, before, over here, we came to this area. There was some support. Came here. Price. The stock interact with this price, right? Okay. Here came down. So anyway, 550. Oh, these markers. And then look at this. Boom. $6 on the dot. Not really the dot, but you see what I'm saying? Over here, came here, hit our head, hit our head. Like if it was a ceiling of a house, it was resistance. Okay, so we have to get through these levels, and you see that 200-day moving average right there? That's a little resistance. So that's the resistance, and then also now, but if we make it, boom, boom, boom. The beauty of it, for everybody who's still here in this time of the video, boo, 33% right there. You saw that? Let's do it again, making it all big and crazy. 33%, boop. I put it right on top. Sorry, it'll disappear. There we go. Oh, God. Did it again on top. Okay, 33%. So now, what about this, Miss Moneymaker? What is our... Yes, let's look at this. What is our risk to reward ratio? Okay, so hold on. Just give me a second. I'm gonna move it again. Price is right here. Where this can't. Let me move this. Make this small. Price is right here. Right, the candle. Okay, so this is where this line is gonna be. Okay. So, as I move the stop, the risk to reward changes. Okay? So, for someone who wanted to get in, let's say right now where Nio is, and if you wanted to stop a little bit below this level, so say if you felt that this price here, this blue line, is your support, and you wanted to stop a little bit below it, you're over a 3. You're almost a 4. Okay, you want this number, risk to reward, to be above a 3. Okay, higher the better. Okay, so now just focus on, I'm going to move the stop. Focus on that number. Okay, so if your stop is there, if I put it below, lower, say your risk to reward changes, you're like a 2, right? If I put it really low, okay, So you see how it changes, right? Or if you just want it right here, okay, then look how the risk to reward changes. Oh, is that a 12? Yeah, it's a 12 right now. It is. But you have a stop that's so close. So it's like, oh my God, you have to really want to stop out. But that's, the benefits of seeing, oh, look at that. My risk to reward, yes, it could change a lot. Okay, so I wanted to show you that. And that's if you're riding it up to this level, all the way up here to like pretty much $6. I don't know if you want to hold it that long, okay. So once again, see, if you just wanted to, because if you're just in this temporarily, say, holding to the tippy tops, that could be hard sometimes, people. You may not get filled like at the tip. Look how fast it went up there, like, pooh, half a second. You better been ready. You better already have a sell in place, okay? So that you don't be sitting at it. Don't try to be sitting at a computer and catch that. All right? Look how quick it happened. You could be in the bathroom on the toilet. Boom, missed. I'm just saying stuff. All right. So already have a sell in place, through your brokerage account. So you could get this. This is only one day. It was fast and it happened. So that's why, if you're a little lower, see 1, 2, 3, 4. If you're a little bit lower, you have more opportunities to like actually lock in your profits. Okay, so I wanted to show you that. This video is 16 minutes. I don't know who was talking for 16 minutes. Gosh, I don't know. But that's because I like it. You're like, oh my God. I was supposed to say click like and subscribe. Click like and subscribe. Click like and subscribe. I was supposed to say that. I didn't. Okay. Whatever. Click like. Click subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.